Okay, we got more trees down here. This one was a pretty decent sized tree, and it's kind of just blocking like how the road is here. So we got a tree here we just rolled up on, and it is sitting above the highway. Like it could literally fall at any given time. Okay, whoa, we got a down tree right here. Definitely fell down. Oh man. Wow. Look at this. What has done to the soccer goal? Look at the soccer goal, man. It completely demolished that soccer goal. Both of those soccer goals are destroyed, man. They're gonna have to come out and fix them. I mean, the wind took them out completely. Mountain Tough here. For you guys that know me, I do workout videos, but today it's going to be a little bit different. We had a significant wind event last night, man, that hit right at home. And we'll be riding around the neighborhood. Checking out the damage. You couldn't really see much of it last night, but you can definitely see the extent of it this morning. Look at this tree. Look at this tree that fell last night. This tree fell. Amongst all these other trees right here. The wind whipped around really bad. This is somebody's home, somebody's cabin. If they're in there, they can't get out, or if they're out, they can't get in. Block the whole driveway. Wow. Incredible, man. Okay. For this journey, we're going to be using nothing other than the one and only E-Hor. It's great for disaster relief. It's great for just riding around after disaster strikes, and it's easy to maneuver. It's an e-bike, and we're going to be cruising on this thing. So let's go, guys. This camera's not meant to be for riding around like this. So I'm holding it with my backpack. It's kind of hard to see from here far. Just riding through the neighborhood here. There are a lot of trees, a lot of shrubs. Oh wow, look at this. Oh wow, there's a look at this. The wind knocked this rail down. Tree did. Anyway, knocked that completely down. Wow, let's keep going. And we're early, man. We're out early, really before a lot of people. Right now, it's like 8 in the morning. A lot of folks get ready to go. Look at this. We got some trees down that just blow down right here. Yep. And let's keep going. I mean, the wind hit hard last night up through here. Sounded like a tornado rode through. I mean, you can clearly hear that wind howling, guys. And right now, I've got you're gonna probably hear that wind howling too while I'm on this e-bike. But that's okay. Yep. Okay, bro. Wow, look at this. Unbelievable. Dude, this tree completely fell. It was toppled down. Completely toppled down. Just laid down from this wind. Craziness, craziness. You can hear that wind howling, guys, right now. It's picking up pretty good. But we're gonna keep moving. But lay down, bad. Somebody's right there. Somebody's home right there. But, absolutely craziness. Let's go. What we have here. Wow, look at this right here. First of all, look at this right here. Incredible. Wow, look at this. So this tree right here was knocked down. This tree was completely knocked down. I mean, it just took you can tell it took a beating. It's been uprooted. When the wind hits the tree really, really hard, it's either gonna snap the tree in half or it's gonna uproot the whole entire tree. In this case, that's what happened with this tree. It uprooted the whole entire tree. We got ghetto birds, we got helicopters looking around at the damage. So, and we're gonna get closer to this. Because I want to show you guys this too. Look at this. This is a gate, a fence. The wind was so hard it knocked the fence out. I mean, it's leaning. You probably can't tell from the video, but it is absolutely leaning. This is absolute craziness. I mean, it knocked this whole entire tree down, and there's debris scattered all over this parking lot. Come on, let's go. Let's keep moving. Yeah, definitely. Just in the street and knocked this porta potty down almost completely. So. And you can see where there's another tree. There's another tree right here that actually fell right here. Look at this. You guys can see that. The wind's picking up right now. So we got to try to stay on this bike because we do not want this thing falling down. Let's keep going. People are out, man. People are out driving like it ain't nothing. Look at this. You got a crew. Looks like you got a crew working on some stuff. Let's go see what's up. Oh wow. You got stuff that just fell and blew. How bad is it? No good? Oh. Man, that's just said it's no good. The wind's blowing really bad. Thank you, man. Okay, guys, we got a little bit of action here. We got down power line. And we got crews working on power over here. We got yellow tape, something really bad hit here. I mean, let's see if we can go up, take a closer look. So, yeah, that wind must have really knocked the power out over here where we're at. Looking around. Right over here near a motel. It's crazy. They had this road blocked off completely. Cut around into this neighborhood. Okay, a couple sticks. This place is pretty clean. Not much happened over here, that's for sure. Okay. Not bad. Okay, whoa, we got a down tree right here. Definitely fell down. Look, certainly see where the wind is hit. And whipped around last night way out here. You can see out here if you're looking, there's a tree right here that just fell. It's all down, so we got a tree here we just rolled up on, and it is sitting above the highway. Like it could literally fall at any given time. Let's get a closer shot at this. So it's right here. Yeah, this one definitely was hit by a tree. It's definitely hit by a tree and knocked down. You can tell it'll fall at any moment. But, yep. Okay, we got more trees down here. This one was a pretty decent sized tree. And it's kind of just blocking like how the road is. If you look at this, it fell. The wind knocked it down. You can see where it split in two here. Yeah, it fell. The wind had knocked it down drastically. It had it fall down pretty good. So definitely wanted to point that out. Have folks stay safe out there. Let's keep going. What it's done to the soccer goal. Look at the soccer goal, man. It completely demolished that soccer goal. Both of those soccer goals are destroyed, man. They're gonna have to come out and fix them. I mean, the wind took them out completely. Crazy work, man. Look at that soccer goal. Crazy work. Jeez Louise. Okay, we over here at a RV camp. Morning, how you doing?
Good.
I'm just.
Isn't it crazy?
It is crazy. I'm just doing a documentary. I noticed that over there. Did the wind get that too?
The wind and the tree, and I mean, we picked up, but this whole road was littered.
Oh my gosh.
And yeah, it's crazy.
I mean, last night was something else, wasn't it?
Well, we're in our motorhome right on the other side of the cabins, and it was like we were rocking and rolling, and we were scared of a tree, you know.
Oh wow. So nothing got damaged pretty bad as far as your home, or?
No, everybody's lucky.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, he's doing a documentary on all this.
Hey, how you doing? Good. Hey, how you doing?
Okay, baby.
Yeah,
He loves everybody. Okay, go on.
I was
Scoot.
just passing by, and I seen that right there, that playground thing knocked down.
Right off the ground.
Wow, that's so. It was actually kind of mounted into the ground there.
Yes, it was. And like the slide was over there. He already picked that up.
There's that apple tree laying over up there.
There's an apple tree here?
Yeah, that's a big one. You can ride and look.
Oh my gosh.
You're welcome to ride around, whatever you want to do.
Okay. Is it cool to stroll through there and circle back through?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, I met some lovely folks here at the RV camp, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, RV camp. They saying that the wind hit really bad out through here, enough to knock down some trees. Hey, how you doing?
Not good.
Oh no, knock down this. Get this playground right here. You can see where it had little poles coming out of it on the bottom of it, and it just uplifted this thing. This thing is huge. It could fit like a whole family of kids out here on it. Let's stroll down here and check out this tree they said knocked down. There's a Oh wow, I think it's this one they was talking about. The wind got a hold of this tree here, guys, which is an apple tree, I believe. Let's take a look here. Oh wow, unbelievable. You can see where that the wind lifted it up completely. It lifted it all the way up off the ground and knocked it down. The wind had to be coming in from this area really strong, and swooped down and just lifted it up. Look at this. Wow, this playground is just no more, man. It's just done for. I mean, there were kids and, you know, in the summertime probably played around over here, and now it's just, they're gonna have to probably just rebuild it.
Raining in about an hour, 2 hours. It's supposed to start getting really cold. It's supposed to be in the 20s.
Oh wow.
Morning.
Oh wow.
And snow flurries.
Oh wow. I just noticed that too. That bench there got lifted up.
Yeah, it blew that heavy thing over.
I just came from up the road up here, and there's a tree laid down. You know where like you're going towards the Mount Rocky Top Sports World?
Yes, yes.
There's a tree laid down on the blocked the whole sidewalk over there, the road.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I mean, I looked at these trees. They're either cut and split in half, or they're uprooted completely. Most of them.
Well, don't go up that hill right there. The rangers just came by because they were checking things out. They said our power pole is down. They've already called the police. And
Really?
We're fixing to put cones up there because they said you don't want people around a live power line, you know.
Yeah, absolutely.
So don't go up that way.
Will not.
Hopefully, though, it's get it off before it starts a fire.
Right? That's what they've been worried about, ain't they?
Yes.
Yeah. Definitely. The fire hazard is up
Yes,
at a high right now. So I appreciate y'all for letting me take a look there. Y'all stay safe.
You too.
How crazy is this? Wow, man. So apparently, most places that got hit really, really hard by this wind event are places that are in high elevation. We're talking like way up in the mountains part of the area. They got hit really hard in high level elevation. The reason why is because the wind was that high. The wind was high, and like if you was at a low level, you could hear the wind howling, bro. Like literally sounded like a freight train rolling through. A bunch of freight trains, actually. This sounded like one freight train. I heard it last night. I know a lot of other people heard it. Had that wind been really, really low, had it been really, really low, like to the ground low, oh man, there'd have been some spots obliterated without a shadow of a doubt. Look at this. Wow. All that was knocked down. Let's stroll up through here. Oh wow. Yeah, the roofing on this is gone for sure. Yep, that's what you would expect. That's what you would expect. You know this had to been flapping like crazy, man, last night through all this mess. Just disastrous. Yeah, there's debris and stuff just blown in the trees. Craziness. Yep, let's keep going. We got down power line right here. Yep, completely down here. Maybe we'll come fix that. Wow, man. How's it going?
How are you doing?
Good, man. Look at this fence, guys. That fence has been completely hit, like just completely blown through. You know, old wood fence like that. But I mean, it's just something you can be like, that's incredible. That's something else. Okay, in town we go. Oh man, look at this. Oh man, so you just roll up on things like this. This is what it's been like all day. Okay, so this was obviously not knocked down. We're gonna try to go around it. Let's see if we can breathe around this. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, we got past that part. Got past this part. Sticks. Okay, let's go. Okay, we got some folks here. You're good. I was gonna say, be careful, guys. They got the sidewalk blocked here. There's a branch or something in the way.
Gotcha.
Yeah, no worries. Oh, wow. He's gone. No, tree? Did the tree fall? Oh, okay, never mind. Sorry. I'm trying to ask what's supposed that tree fell, but it looks like it did. It cut it. A lot of places not open right now because of that wind event. This one toppled. This tree right here toppled over a storage container. You can see where it split. Look close. Wow. man. What the wind done. Came through blowing really good. Knocked and destroyed a lot. I mean, what we saw today, guys, it's not too bad. Definitely could have been a lot worse. So we're gonna hang our hats on that. Certain parts wasn't all that great. Certain parts were rougher than others. But all in all, man, considering that strong, powerful wind that we had previous night, man, the place held up pretty good. Businesses are still open. Properties are still intact, and folks are still walking around. You know, so it's not too bad. Not too bad. Wind's still done a lot of damage. I mean, things like that right there. You look, you see things laying around like this right here. I mean, I can go on like. Let's see if we can stroll through here. I don't know if you guys can see this. We do got property damage right here. This gate right here, definitely. There's more. This gate too was damaged. We don't know how. Oh wow, there's debris and stuff along the bank. Look at this tree, guys. Wow. Look at this tree. This tree, if you scroll through, the tree was split in half. It was absolutely split. And you can see that the debris that fell through came washing up. See, right here. You can see it washing up right here. Look at that. That's what's washing up. Floating. It's kind of getting stuck, but you can see it. Kind of caught on the rock. Wow, man, look at this. Isn't that something? Incredible. Incredible.